Hey guys, this is Keenan. I'm going to be going over how to make a 3D puzzle cube. So here's some requirements that you've probably already seen. Final form of it must be in the form of a cube, must be 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches, and it must be made of 6 to 10 different pieces. You can also go beyond if you feel so inclined. It's always fun to try. Here's some example cubes that I've seen and made. The one that I'm going to help you guys make in these tutorials are just 3 by 3 simple 1 by 1 cube type thing. So let's open up one shape and make a new document. I'm gonna be going over sketches, how to sketch out your first piece. I think I'm only going to be making 6 pieces for this, so it's gonna be good. So you just hit create document. I'm just gonna name this one puzzle cube version 2, because I've made a few now. Okay, so now you have a document open and you're ready to start making all of your pieces. Where you're going to want to start is you're going to click Sketch. What Sketch does is it allows you to make a basic shape and then form it into a part. So then you're going to select one of the 3 planes, front, right, or top. I usually start off by selecting front, but any one of those works. All right, so you're facing sketch 1. What you can do now is go up and select either the rectangle or the line. I'm going to select the line. And you're just going to want to draw out a basic outline of your first piece. It doesn't have to be exact or anything like that. So I'm just making a little L type Tetris piece, little L. There you go. You hit escape on your keyboard to exit out of the line. So now you have the beginnings of your piece. So, if you remember, this needs to be 3 inches by 3 inches by 3 inches by the end of it. Cute. So we're going to start off by dimensioning it to be 3 inches on this side. As you can see here, this is giving me a degree, which means that this line and this line aren't coincident, or aren't perpendicular, sorry. So you're going to go up here, select the perpendicular tool from this drop box. Select the line and the other line that aren't perpendicular. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that for all the sides just to make it square. All right, hit escape again to exit out of that. Then move on to dimension, which is up here, little 2 arrows. And we're going to click this top line. We're going to click the bottom one. And what that is going to do is it's going to allow you to dimension the entire side. So you're going to type in 3 or however long you'd like to make it. I'll make this one 3 inches. Then I'm going to do this side, that wall to that wall, and I'm going to make it 2 inches. And then you need to tell it what the inner sort of size is. And each one of our little individual boxes by our 3 by 3 cube is going to be 1 inch. So we'll do 1, and 1. All right. So that should be the layout of your first piece complete. Now, as you can see, it's still blue, which you never want it to be blue. It means that it's not properly constrained. So I'm going to click and drag it over to the origin, let go of it, and it should anchor down. If it's still blue at this point, it means that something isn't properly constrained. So you're going to go ahead and just close that sketch. And you've sketched out the beginnings of your first piece. Good job.